how to track USPS order. So hello guys, if you want to track your USPS order or parcel, how you guys can do that. So the process was same for Android, iPhone and PC. You guys will simply, first step will be go to browser. So I am using Error, so I will simply click on Google Chrome. You guys can use any browser. So I will simply search here for track USPS. Once you search for that, you guys will see first website USPS tracking and second USPS tracking. So basically you need to make sure that website was original. So here you guys can see that first website was legit USPS tracking. So simply click here. Once you click here, you need to wait for some seconds. So I will simply wait for some second. Here you guys will see USPS tracking, also enter up to 35 tracking numbers. So you need to simply paste your tracking number, and once you paste it, simply click on track. So once you click on track, you will see your parcels tracking like where it was and when it will be delivered. Thanks for watching. That's how you guys can do that.